Welcome back to Fuck Your Fixer Upper. We're at the Mellow Yellow House. Anyway, as you can see, we have finished the project. We're going to take you on a tour. We did all the landscaping, all the fresh mulch, all the pruning of the trees. We got grass growing around the septic area that we had all inspected and repaired, what repairs it needed. Let's go inside and take a look and see what we've done.
Well, actually, before we even go in, the railings are off of this porch, which look 100% better.
So what we did is, there were existing posts here with railings all the way around. Obviously, for code, you don't need them. It looks more open this way, so we took all the railings off and we beefed up the columns. I just made the porch look, more up to date, more what you'd expect on a house like this. Okay, so this is the entrance foyer. Originally, how this house was set up was this wall right here at this corner continued over, and then would had the corner clipped and then returned back into this wall over here. So we took that all out, opened up the foyer, made it more, more open.
Inviting.
So, and then the closet here was way oversized that was existing, and we just made it a simple, easy coat closet, and it serves its purpose. And so in here, this is your
It's your hall bath?
hall bath, yeah? Okay, so the door used to be here and it opened in, and you'd go in, there was a toilet over here, a vanity here, and the tub. So what we did is we put the pocket door in. I'll see you later. Put a pocket door in, and let me show you what a pocket door actually does. It creates wall space. So now I have this wall here, so that allows me, instead of having a tiny little vanity in this, nice big bathroom, we have a nice big vanity, with drawers, nice big mirror, nice brand new light fixture, and then nice big tub with all new controls. Everything's matching. And take a look. The luxury vinyl plank flooring. It's a very durable floor.
So
Looks
easy
like
to clean
slate.
too. As a mom, you want easy to clean.
Exactly. And as a dad, you like that your mom can clean.
These hardwood floors turned out so much better than we expected.
Yeah,
they're original to the house.
I'm shocked. I'm blown away that these floors, we resurrected them from what they were. It was just, they looked so bad. But what we had in the hallway originally was vinyl flooring, and there was something wrong with the joists that they were dipping. So we took it all out, rebuilt all the floor there, put new subflooring in, and then continued this flooring, same hardwood flooring all the way into the foyer to keep the whole look throughout the whole house. So it looks really good. It matches perfect. And then here there was an L-shaped kitchen, very small, because once you have cabinets coming out like this,
well, U-shaped kitchen.
or U-shaped, right? Now we have an L-shape. I gotta get my letters right. So the cabinets came out here. So when you were in here, it was very closed, confined. So we took the wall out here, brought it back to here, and started our cabinet run from the refrigerator all the way around. Now you have, believe it or not, twice as many cabinets, twice as much room, and then we complemented with all the stainless steel appliances,
Brand new.
which all match, all match.
And we like to mix the old with the new. So as you see, the kitchen's all new subway tile, new fixtures, new cabinets, new appliances. But then look at this door. Not everybody will appreciate it, but this is original to the house.
This is the original exterior door that came into the house. Everything works on it. So we were debating on whether to just take it off and have a cased opening just going into the laundry area, but you know, washer and dryers are going to get really loud and obnoxious, so we kept the door here, cleaned it up, painted it, fixed all the hardware, and
it gives it more character.
Oh yeah, a lot of
house.
character. You know what I like? One of the many things I really like about this house is the natural light.
So much.
These skylights are brand new. They were here, but they were the different. They were, I think they were leaking and just didn't look good. Honestly, if they're leaking, we replaced them all. So the natural light here in the kitchen is just.
Yeah, you can have your table right on your skylights.
So nice.
Yep.
Nice little eat-in area right here. Lots of space here. You could have a nice big dining room table right
Like a
here.
farmhouse table with benches. That would look really good.
So off the kitchen here, as you go in here, we redid this. From what I heard, this used to be a covered or an open porch. Somebody had covered it in and used it as a little space. So we just took that idea and ran with it. Before the plumbing was on this wall, exterior wall, that's a big no-no. You're asking for trouble freezing pipes and whatnot. So we moved all the stuff, all the utility parts over to this side. Dryer, washer, all our pipes are inside. Never a chance of them freezing. New dryer vent. Brand new electric hot water heater. Pressure tank, and our water filter expansion tank. So all your utilities are contained in one room. So you got your laundry, all your stuff over here, which makes sense in a house. So.
And a very durable floor.
Oh yeah, the luxury vinyl plank goes really well through it.
Just a peek out of the mudroom. It's another exterior door. New
So if the kids are
fixtures.
done outside playing, they come running in. This is a great drop zone area. You got open space here. Put code hooks up here. The functionality is really good.
Yep.
All right, follow me to again through the kitchen. Back
I
here.
have to pause for a second. So that is the original chimney as well. So we
Original
decided
chimney.
to leave the.
It's
leave
set
the
up
brick.
for a wood stove. If you want to put a wood stove right here, it's fine. Everything checks out. The chimney's good. Just need to hook it up. And, that's a secondary source of heat in this house. So you go back here.
Bedroom number 1.
This is bedroom number 1. We call it the back bedroom. We put a recessed light in here. It's got a nice big closet. Light in the closet. I think all our closets have lights in them except for one. So it's a nice big bedroom. It's got a brand new Frigidaire ductless mini split system to heat and cool this room, which works really good. I can feel the cool air right now. It's really nice.
The hardwood floors continuing to all the bedrooms, which is nice. And look at the privacy. So much privacy out
Nice
the bedroom
buffer right
windows.
there. It's just really, really cool.
It's very quiet.
Okay, so let's go back out through this alcove here, and then into this room. This is the
family room? Yeah.
Yeah, this is a nice big space. Got a brand new ceiling fan.
You've seen us use these before, but everybody loves them, so we'll keep using it.
Brand new recessed LEDs in here, and then we wired the whole house for safety. All new smoke detectors. They're all interlinked, so they're if one goes off, they all go off in case of emergency. We put our controls for the fan here, and we have a mini split duct system. These duct mini splits are outstanding for heating and cooling a house like this, all one level. This one is basically doing the kitchen in this whole space right here. So that's phenomenal. And it has its own thermostat, so you can adjust the temperature for each room, which is a great thing. So.
My favorite thing about this room is that it has a private porch though.
Oh yeah, look, this is kind of like the little added benefit of this space here, is right off of the family room. You walk out here, and look how cool this little gathering porch, drink the morning coffee, just hang out on a nice day like today. Look at all the beautiful landscaping here, the beautiful trees. I mean, this place is just you would never know this thing was tucked back up in here, and how close and convenient we are to town and
29,
Route
66.
29 and 66. Yeah, I mean
Gainesville.
it's just a really nice little hideaway back in here.
So for this porch, new railings, beefed up the columns, which look 100 times better. Solid stain on the decking, and it's good to go.
Really nice.
Yep, nice and
New
private.
light fixtures.
Oh yes, we
I
love
like
these.
those fixtures you pick out. Those are so cool.
Well, thank you.
You're quite welcome.
All right, bedroom number 2.
Okay, let's take a walk back here. Like Kelly was saying earlier, we like to keep some of the stuff from the old house when we redo these houses, just to keep that little flair. Like this house is, it's an older house, but we keep some of the stuff that just looks really cool. It's vintage. So this is one of the
We'll call this a modern vintage house.
Yeah, original door to the house. We left it. It worked. It functions fine, so we left it in. Again, another mini split Mitsubishi mini split system, Douglas, that heat and cools this room. Another ceiling fan. I love these ceiling fans because they're so unassuming. They give off excellent light. They generate excellent airflow in here.
Yeah,
you don't even notice it because it's so small.
More than a big ceiling fan, for sure.
Oh yeah, the big floppy ceiling fan flopping around. This thing is way better. So you get a nice big closet in here in this space with a pocket door. Love the pocket doors. They save on space, so you have room to put furniture in these rooms. You don't have to contend with a door getting in the way.
All right, now let's check out the primary bedroom. Kind of
All right,
off
so
the other
in
side.
here, big space, big master primary. And again, we have another Mitsubishi mini split Douglas system. New LED recessed lights. Another ceiling fan in here.
The hardwood floors continue into here. And I should mention too, we used the agreeable gray paint in this house again. So again, it's chameleon color. If it works, why change it, right?
Oh yeah, I mean the color goes with anything. It's like we've been putting this color in most, if not all, the houses that we remodel, and it just
Everybody loves it.
And it's such a great color. It goes with anything. So, okay, so in here, this is the master or the main bathroom.
Primary, yeah.
Pocket
Ensuite.
door. Nice big shower with a radius marble seat in the corner. All new controls. Nice tile niche. Kelly again picked these colors out and top notch. Looks really cool.
Oh, there's a light in there too.
Nice LED light. Nice new light fixture over the vanity. Nice big vanity in here. Plenty of space for storage.
And then another skylight. So much natural light in this
Yeah,
house.
I love the skylights in this house. It's like the natural light is just beautiful. And also you have this nice big linen closet for all your towels, extra storage. Nice and clean, painted, and redone, so just looks real nice.
Oh, and the other thing that the primary bedroom has is a walk-in closet.
Oh yeah, so unassuming, come back here. Oh honey, where do we put all our clothes and all our stuff? I don't know. How about in here? Bam, big closet. Lots of shelf space, closet pole, walk-in closet. It just holds all your stuff.
And then another bonus feature.
And yet,
And yet there's
once
more.
you just thought we were done, but no. Check this out. Your own private entrance into your bedroom. So you have we built this little landing with steps, so you can just come outside and enjoy the nature. Listen to the nature.
Now they're gonna stop. Yep.
You hear the birds?
And the other thing about this is there's a disconnect box here. So if you ever want to add a private hot tub off of your bedroom,
it's already wired up.
it's already ready to go. So you can sit out here.
Yeah, it's just a beautiful lot, beautiful
Yep.
place, beautifully landscaped. What's not to like out here? So, just really cool. I can honestly say I never thought this house would end up looking this good.
No.
I mean, it's just. Good job.
Good job, John. Pat yourself on the back. Yeah, it definitely turned out better than we expected. I knew it would be good, but this was really good.
And don't forget that the black faucet for the kitchen sink.
Oh yeah. So usually
That was my idea.
That's all John.
That really looks a lot cooler than the
Stainless.
Stainless.
Well, especially against the tile too.
Yeah, it really pops. I just
good.
love that look. It just goes with the hardware on the kitchen cabinets.
So again, we'll call this vintage modern.
Vintage modern.
Vintage
I think you just stumbled onto a new.
There it is, my new
word,
phrase.
New phrase, yeah.
It's not just farmhouse anymore. We're vintage modern. So
Yeah.
let's take these old houses and make them look beautiful.
Yeah. So all this house really needs now is a nice new family, and you're gonna love it out here. You're gonna love this house. Oh, did we even talk about the bonus of having the?
Oh, I think I panned over to it for a second, but there's a 2-bay detached workshop.
Yeah, steel garage with roll-up doors. So, man, it's just perfect. It's everything you need out here. I mean, it's got everything.
Oh, there's more storage in there too, shelves and whatnot.
Oh yeah, it's great.
All right, so that's our quick walkthrough of the Mellow Yellow House. We'll be listing next week.
We go live next week.
Next week, yeah. Mow the grass and we should be done. And so it's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, about an acre, and it's off of Georgetown Road in Broad Run. So it's kind of like on the line of Warrenton, Broad Run, close to 29.
Yeah, and
We're like what, a minute from 29?
Yeah,
Not
within
even.
minutes. And we're move-in ready. This house, what we try to do with these houses is make it so all you got to do is move in. There's
Yeah.
nothing.
No headache.
Yeah, no headaches. You don't have to move in and say, oh, honey, we got to paint the whole house. It's done. Oh, honey, we got to fix this or fix that. We looked at it. We took care of it. It's done. So,
Moving's hard enough.
yeah, take the stress off. Check this house out. It's a real beautiful little house. I think came out really nice as usual.
Yep.
So anyway,
All right, so again, Mellow Yellow House, 6367 Georgetown Road in Broad Run. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. And
thanks for watching Talk Here Fixer Upper, guys.
that's a wrap. See you on the flip side.
See you on the flip side.